Hey guys, how's it going? This is hopefully Sunday with another video. The topic of today is the stock market. For you guys that are beginners, you're looking around stocks, ETFs, funds, REITs, and more, and you find it difficult. This is not tutorial, just throwing it out. I'm still learning. I'm still searching around. I'm still looking videos, looking articles, looking on the internet, and searching. So for you guys that still as beginners as me, you should watch other videos how other guys they're performing with their own stocks. And if one of those stocks caught your eye, before you go ahead and put money on it, just do your own research. What you're gonna go to NASDAQ or go to articles and see what is going on, what is about the stocks, if it's performing well, what do they do, they pay dividends, if it's a growth stock, and all these things you have to take on notice, and just keep on doing your thing. Like what I'm trying to say is you do your own research, put money on the side. That money, it's something that you can, don't think about it like I'm gonna put it on the side, I'm gonna invest it and forget about it. And but you have to keep on putting money in it. If you did already your research and you saw what if it's beneficial or not. Not all the stocks are good, are great, and because they got your attention of dividends like me. Like I invest on this couple's ETF that they pay highly dividend yield, and that doesn't means that the stock from itself or the ETF is gonna perform well. It's gonna go on the highs. No, it's not like that, because in this month I haven't seen this couple ETFs going down because the market is a little bit volatile. But not only that, it's hard to predict if they're gonna perform well, and it's pretty hard. So I'm gonna get into my portfolio. So into now I have invested 646.72. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna scroll down. Hopefully you'll get dizzy. And I own two ETFs. One of them is QDTE and the other one is CONY. These two ETFs, they pay dividend. One of them pay monthly dividend and only pay weekly dividend. The one that pays weekly dividend is QDTE. This is a cover call strategy ETF. The price now is $35.85. So we're gonna see how they performed the last week. They were down at 0.6%, and let's see the past month. You see, so it had been down by 8.60%. That is what I'm trying to say. That you can see other people how they are investing, and you can learn from that. Probably to keep away from those kind of risky investments, and do another research about stocks or ETF that have been for a lot of time. They have been performing well. I'm gonna show you one of them. This is an ETF that's very popular and have been performing well all these years. It's BOO. This is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The price right now is 520.72 cents. So if we see how they perform, I'm sorry, let's see 1 week. You see, it have been up $5.72, because I show you that my ETFs were down because the stock market was going down, but ETF was performing pretty well. If we see the past month, they're being down. But not only that, I mean, in 3 months they have been going down. So that means that even the S&P 500 is not performing always in the highs. But if we see the max history, they have been performing pretty well in all the markets. So this is one of the investments. I'm still searching about it. There's a lot to learn about this ETF, and I'm thinking of buying it and stick with it as a long-term investor, because the ones I have, this couple ETFs, it's gonna be for a short-term investment, but still I want you guys to see how they perform during this period of time that I'm gonna keep on buying them and own this ETFs. So like this one, this is CONY. Geomax Coin Option Income Strategy ETF. The price is $8.56. So let's see how they performed the past week. So they were up by 4.65%. That's 0.38 cents. Let's see the past month. They have been down. Let's see the past 3 months. They have been down. So as you can see, they don't perform that well. And you learn about this, and you're gonna say, so why you're investing in this couple ETFs? One is because I like the dividends they're paying, but like I said, it's gonna be just a medium period. I'm gonna have the stocks I'm gonna own. So like you see, guys, I have been performing not that well, but not that shabby, not that bad. But yeah, guys, this is what's like showing you guys. Do your own research, see why stocks are performing well. If one of those stocks caught your eye, search about it. What do they do? If they're gonna perform well, we don't know that. But if they have been performing well this past years, and if you are on the side of dividend, just stick with the dividends that pay less than 4% of yield, because they still have a lot of growth. Like, I'm gonna show you a couple of them. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm sorry if you get dizzy. I'm recording with my phone, so I'm just gonna go scroll a little bit more down, and you're gonna see this stocks I'm gonna tell you about. Apple is a recently one. They incorporate the dividend. So into now the price is $217.88. So we're gonna scroll down. And this part over here, by the way, I'm using Robinhood as my broker. So over here you can see that dividend yield is 0.46 cent. I'm sorry, percent. So it's not that high. Like I say, they incorporate this dividend having like that over a year or less than a year, but they still have a lot of space to grow. So let's go a little bit more down. I'm gonna show you another one. Procter and Gamble. This is a popular one too. I have seen a lot of videos that have been performing pretty well. Not that great, but still the dividends are coming. They pay every 3 months. That's 4 times in a year. So yeah, if you know this stock, you know what I'm talking about. They have a lot of growth still. So I'm sorry, I already passed that's over here. So this is the analysis, a little analysis. Like I said, I'm still learning. So as you can see, the dividend yield is 2.42%. So that's pretty good. They have still a lot of growth. Yeah, guys. So this is a couple of things that you have to keep in mind. And we're here to see the journey of everybody. Haven't seen a lot of videos, but still, I'm gonna stick with this couple ETFs. And not only that, I'm gonna buy another stocks, individual stocks and ETF, so you can see how they can grow, how they perform, and not only that, the dividends will keeping coming, and we'll see how this journey goes, because this is a long journey, and we have a lot to talk, and we have a lot to do, our own research, and learn about the stock market. But yeah, guys, I know it was a long video. Thank you if you're still watching this. Thank you for that, for subscribing and liking this kind of content. But yeah, guys, thank you.